Exposing the weirdness in birds, this is the shoebill and it's about to blow your mind. Picture this, a bird that's part stork, part dino with a bill that could double as a shoe. Meet the shoebill, the coolest bird you've never heard of. This big guy stands around 5 feet tall, with a stare that could cut glass. And get this, shoebills almost never blink. They're known for their stealthy, super slow movements, making them expert hunters. That massive bill, it's not just for show. It's perfect for catching fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Yeah, you heard me right. These birds are found in the swamps of East Africa, usually chillin' alone, looking like they've stepped straight out of Jurassic Park. So next time you think birds are boring, remember the shoebill. It's proof that sometimes truth is stranger than fiction. Stay curious and keep an eye out for these prehistoric stalkers.